Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's take a closer look at a very interesting and awesome accessory from Telesin that lets you clamp your GoPro to railings, handlebars, tubes and all other objects that can only fit in its class. So the way this accessory works is very simple. You basically clamp it around some object, then tighten it as hard as you can until it feels solid and secure, and you can have a hands-free perspective while using your camera. You know, these claws are incredibly strong, and as long as you can securely wrap it around something, believe me, they're gonna hold on. Please notice that this accessory has two ball heads to easily adjust your camera angle whenever you have to. Telesin Universal Clamp mount is so flexible that finding the proper angle is simply so fast and easy. For example, you can record a selfie of yourself while doing some activity, and then in just a matter of seconds you can record what's in front of you. Now, isn't that amazing? Inside of the package, there's also a tiny silicone pad, so you can put it inside of the claws if you want to wrap it around much smaller objects. And if you want to get slightly further perspective with it, you can use it with an extension arm. This way the camera is slightly further away from you so it can see more. It also comes with a 1/4-inch adapter, so you can use it with other cameras such as Insta360, One X3, etc. You know, you can get so many unique and creative angles with it when it comes to recording a video, taking photos or recording a time-lapse. It's a really solid mount and the build quality is fantastic. So Telesin Universal Tube Mount comes in two versions. Either a plastic one, which costs around $27, or the one that I have in here, the aluminum one that costs roughly around $33. Honestly, I think it's a great addition to your gear and it's totally worth it. Please don't forget to use my coupon code for additional 10% discount. This way, this accessory is even more affordable. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned some new ways about how you can use your GoPro. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way you help me grow this channel even further. Thank you once again and see you guys in the next video.